Did you know that a common food dye has been linked to cancer? It's known as red dye num-3, a vivid additive that's found its way into countless food items, beverages, and even ingested drugs. For years, the safety of this dye has been a topic of heated debate, with a number of studies hinting at potential health risks, including a link to cancer. This controversy isn't new either. The European Union and the state of California have already made the bold decision to ban the use of this additive. Now, the FDA has finally made a decision about red dye num-3. The FDA's decision to ban red dye num-3 was not made overnight. This journey began back in the 1980s when the FDA first promised to remove this synthetic food coloring from our food supply due to its carcinogenic properties. However, the path to this decision was not a straight one. Industries, including those producing maraschino cherries, a product often colored with red dye number 3, put significant pressure on the FDA, leading to a delay in the decision. Despite the health concerns, red 3 remained in thousands of food products for decades. In the midst of this, advocacy organizations and individuals stepped up, petitioning the FDA to take action. Their relentless efforts kept the issue in the spotlight, continually reminding the FDA of the potential health risks associated with the dye. Then, in 2023, a significant development occurred. California became the first state in the U.S. to ban red dye num-3. This bold move set a precedent, and it wasn't long before other states began introducing similar legislation to ban the dye. This wave of state-level initiatives undoubtedly put additional pressure on the FDA to reconsider its stance. All of these events culminated in the FDA's decision to ban red dye num-3. It's a testament to the power of public advocacy, scientific research, and state-level initiatives in shaping national health policy. So, what does the FDA's decision actually mean? Well, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has decided to ban the use of red dye num-3 in food, beverages, and ingested drugs. This decision comes after concerns over the dye's links to cancer in animals. But don't worry. You've got until 2027 before the ban fully comes into effect. In the meantime, some forward-thinking companies aren't waiting around. They've already started to phase out the controversial additive, opting for alternatives like red dye num-40. This move not only preempts the ban, but also gives these companies a head start in adapting to the new norm. But what does this mean for the food industry and us, the consumers? Well, the ban could shake things up a bit. Companies will need to reformulate their products, potentially changing the look and taste of some of our favorite foods. For us consumers, it means we can munch and sip with a little less worry about harmful additives. With the FDA's decision, the US now aligns with the European Union's precautionary approach to food additives. So let's raise a toast to a future of safer, healthier food choices. Stay ahead of the curve with your daily dose of news. Subscribe now and never miss a beat.